There it is. We love tractors.
The hospital setting can be intimidating for adults, and if you imagine what that might be like for children or our littlest patients, they're experiencing a lot of vulnerability, seeing equipment and rooms that look very different than what they're used to at home. It's immediately outside of the comfort zone. Toys and play are one of the most valuable set of tools that we use as clinicians to help children that are hospitalized.
I'm Andrea, and this is my son, Brooks. Brooks, how old are you?
4.
Brooks has been a patient at Cleveland Clinic for about 3.5 years. He received a liver transplant in November of 2019. Early in our stay here, there were books, and specifically one toy I remember was this big musical guitar that Brooks loved, and they were donated to us. That little guitar brought Brooks so much joy. It was, I'm sorry. To be able to see him playing like a little boy, it was nice because he had so much going on and so many wires on him, and it was just really nice that he could have some normalcy while being in the hospital.
When children understand what's going to happen before it happens or while it's happening, they're able to cope better with what is going on. And that takes away some of the fear of the unknown. What it comes down to is being able to utilize fun and play to help the child process what's going on.
They use the toys and make whatever the procedure or process is less intimidating. And as a kid, it just looks like something fun.
The Cleveland Clinic has created an easy way for supporters to help through virtual toy drives. People are able to identify toys on the list that they would like to donate to the hospital. And these toys are specifically curated and picked by child life specialists and members of the Cleveland Clinic Children's team. If it weren't for the donations that we receive and the toys that we have coming in, we wouldn't be able to accomplish those goals of helping kids feel like they're in a normal setting, just like as if they were at home.
Hosting the virtual toy drive is so easy to do.
The most important reason to set up a virtual toy drive is because you know that you're making a direct impact on the children and families that we see here at Cleveland Clinic Children's.
When you see them with a new toy and they're acting like nothing is going on, that brings normalcy in the midst of chaos, and that right there is a tremendous blessing.
Being able to give those toys to kids that are experiencing extreme vulnerability in that moment can make a huge impact.
And I just know the joy that it's brought Brooks, and I know the same is true for so many other pediatric patients as well. I would just say thank you so much to those who have donated.